Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is poverty line, causes and its alleviation strategies. Introduction. Poverty is a major economic and social problem in India. A person is considered poor when he or she is unable to satisfy basic needs such as food, clothing, shelter, education, and health care. Poverty reduces the standard of living and affects the overall development of a country. Poverty refers to a condition in which a person lacks sufficient income and resources to maintain a minimum standard of living. Basic needs include food, clothing, shelter, education, health care. Poverty line. It is an imaginary line to define poor people. The poverty line is the minimum level of income or consumption needed to satisfy basic necessities of life. People earning below the poverty line are called below poverty line, BPL, population. In India, the poverty line is generally determined based on minimum calorie intake, basic consumption expenditure, essential goods and services. Separate poverty lines are fixed for rural and urban areas because living costs differ. Causes of poverty. Inequality in the distribution of income and wealth. National income is increasing, but it has not been distributed properly among the different sections of the society. The majority of wealth is concentrated in the hands of a few people. This has worsened the problem of poverty in India. Population growth. Because of increase in population, the dependency burden has increased. Population growth increases pressure on resources and employment. Affect low income per person and higher poverty. Illiteracy. In rural areas, farmers fail to learn new methods of cultivation, fail to adopt new tools etc. In urban areas, uneducated people cannot get better jobs. They work as laborers and earn very low wages in return and live a miserable life. Unemployment. It is another factor causing poverty in India. The increasing population leads to higher job seekers, and only some of them get the job. Types of employment: disguised unemployment, seasonal unemployment and educated unemployment. Price rise, inflation. Prices of the products is increasing day by day and which is becoming burden on poor people. Rise in prices reduces purchasing power. Social and economic backwardness, caste discrimination, gender inequality, and lack of opportunities contribute to poverty. Political cause. The colonial government have ruined the traditional handicrafts and textiles. Even after independence, the government has failed to protect the interest of the poor people of India. Alleviation strategies. NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, now known as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MGNREGA, provides guaranteed wage employment to rural households. Offers at least 100 days of employment in a financial year. Objective: reduce rural poverty and unemployment. Benefit: creates rural jobs and improves income. Self-employment programs. The government encourages small businesses and self-employment. Examples: Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, PMEGP. NFWP, National Food for Work Program, launched to provide employment in backward rural areas. Workers were paid partly in food grains and wages. Objective: generate employment and improve food security. Benefit: helps poor rural families during unemployment. Women Empowerment Program, support for women through self-help groups, SHGs, education and employment schemes. Benefit: improves family income and living standards. PMGY, Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana, focused on rural development. Improved basic services like rural roads, housing, drinking water, healthcare, education. Objective: improve standard of living in villages. Benefit: promotes overall rural development. REGP, Rural Employment Generation Program, implemented through the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, KVIC. Encouraged small and village industries in rural areas. Objective: generate self-employment opportunities. Benefit: promotes rural industries and entrepreneurship. PMRY, Prime Minister's Rozgar Yojana, self-employment scheme for educated unemployed youth. Financial assistance and loans provided to start small businesses. Objective: reduce unemployment among youth. Benefit: encourages entrepreneurship and income generation. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.